What is up, guys? Logan here. Welcome to Fat Belly Fishing. So this morning it is 5 a.m. Went to bed at 2:30, getting ready. We heard some tarpon are in town, so I'm fishing with Shoalwateradventures today. You guys see me fishing with him all the time. We're gonna go look for some tarpon on the flats, maybe do some redfish, trout, and snook, because that's just what we do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Consider subscribing, like, comment, share. Let me know what you guys think. And let's go slay some. Captain August is going to be up in his perch, and I will be up in mine. Guys, just look at this sunrise, like how absolutely beautiful it is out here. Slick, glass calm. We're about to find these fish. So I just literally cast it from here to there just to see how it was going, and a trout came up and tried to smash it. Yeah, of course my GoPro was. Should have went to my freaking spinning rod. Oh, look at this. Oh. You saw that wake? Did you get it? That was a massive trout right there. You guys saw him wake behind it, and I called it, and he freaking annihilated it. To my freaking spinning rod. Oh, look at this. Oh. You saw that wake? Did you get it? Oh, little red fish. I got him. Yeah, he was tracking it hard. Little redfish here. Oh, he's, huh? Yeah, there's a. Topwater Mirromullet. Beautiful fish. Bye, buddy. Thank you. I'm sorry, Jimmy. I didn't mean to splash him. So right now we're just basically working down all these banks here. It's a beautiful day, and the reds are blowing up like one after another. It's pretty epic. So far I just got that little one, and hopefully get a big one here. So I just finished my water ball, so naturally we just throw it in the ocean, right? Like everyone else. God, if you do that, your mom's a hoe. You like that sudden pause? I think it's a big trout or a topwater cat. Topwater cat, buddy. Topwater catfish. No freaking way. Are you kidding me? Guys, I just caught a catfish on topwater. You saw it here first. Guys, I know a lot of you know what a catfish is, but for them to hit topwater is kind of crazy. And they're a garbage fish, by the way. Well, guys, bad news. Topwater Kitty decided to take 2 of my hooks with him. So now I'm fishing basically 4 hooks, a treble and a single. But we'll see if it works. All right, that's all for this video today, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what you guys thought about these lures and all the fish we caught today. And tight lines. See you soon.